that's in and that works. I've replaced these window seals. Upholstery handiwork is not as handy as I'd like it to be. I think I'll probably recover this top section. It's got a few problems. It's not quite as good as it could be. I made a few mistakes when I did that. Yeah, it was a little bit like it's coming apart down there. I just didn't give it enough overlap. It's a live and learn. Not bad for a first effort though, I reckon. I spent most of the day on the interior. So we've got all the consoles back in. They've had a fair clean up. I might have to see if I can get some vinyl restorer or something like that, just to tidy that up a bit. So I got in here, I mentioned a couple of videos ago that I need to change the thermistor. Well, I thought it was the thermistor that was the problem. So that's the thermistor, I changed it out with one that I know was good, and it didn't make any difference. The fan's still not running. I'm having horrible thoughts that I might have to pull the dash out again. It's a fan, it's tucked up in there. I don't know if I can get that out without pulling the dash out. Oh well, been a big day. It doesn't look like I've done very much, but it's been a huge day, just fixing all the little mistakes that I've made here and there and everywhere. Tomorrow's another day. We'll get into it again tomorrow. Well, it's another day and it is bloody hot again. Humidity is probably about 98% at the moment. It's actually stopped raining. That's the weather report. I've just got a few more parts that I've ordered, and I'll just give you a quick run around and show you what they are. First one's easy. It's right here. This seat belt is absolutely shot. That'll never pass. So I've ordered one of them, and I've been notified that's in the post already. So these little side indicators, that one's actually okay. It works. But on the other side here, I was putting this one in and I broke it. I've just ordered a pair of them. What else have we got? What else have I ordered? I've ordered a third thing and I can't remember what it was. Got old bloke's brain. Oh, I remember now. I've ordered a fuel gauge sender that sits in the fuel tank. So that's coming. That's all been posted. So I should have them by the end of this coming week. Something else that needs replacing. It's this seat belt in the back. That's shot. Actually, I wonder if the donor's got a good one of them in it. Let's go and have a look. Oh, there's a seat belt there. Oh yes, there is a belt. Looks in pretty good nick, and it works. I'll be helping myself to that one. All right, so I've got a fair few things that are going to keep me busy for the next day. Back to work tomorrow, so I'm going to get as much done as I possibly can today. Beauty. Helps to put it in the right way. Better, but it is what it is. I'm never actually going to use it, so it just needs to be there. It's hard to believe, but I think it's ready for a test drive. I'm fucking wrapped. our steering feels really good. A little bit of a clunk in there. Things might be a bit stiff. Oh, here we go. Seems to go pretty well. Probably wants a wheel alignment, which is not surprising in the least. I'll just go up to the petrol station, I'll put some fuel in it. It's probably going to run out of fuel again. Feels pretty good. Definitely wants a wheel alignment. Oh, a little bit spluttery. But here we go. Chuck some fuel in this thing. Oh, that'll do it. Just over $100 worth. Oh, it's a fuel gauge. It's still registering that there's nothing in it. So it's definitely shot. It's a bit stuttery down low, but not surprising, to be honest. Goes great. They've got plenty of go. I don't want to flog it too much. This engine's still brand new, so. It's running quite nicely. I'll just take it for a run around the block. Oh, very bouncy in the front end, but I think that's because it's got no bull bar on it. Definite leak in the exhaust system. Might just get some wrap for that for the time being. Running really quite well. I'm really happy with that. Temperature's good. Oil pressure's a little bit low at idle. I don't know if that's normal. Well, there we go. That's its first drive. I'm pretty pleased with it. It's got a few problems. It's got a bit of a stutter down low, But when you stick your boot into it, it goes great. I might have to give this a bit of a sweep up. I'm going to bring it back inside, but I'll give this a bit of a clean up before I do. I've had a few thoughts about this donor, and I'm thinking that I might turn the back half of this car, like if I cut it off roughly, there, use the back half of it, turn it into a bit of a trailer. The rest of the front half of the body's pretty well buggered, so the rollover, but yeah, that's just an idea. I just hate chucking shit away. A bit of a hoarder, but if I hoard stuff, it's for a reason. So I think I might be able to use that body, build up a chassis for it. Might be able to find a maybe a buggered 80 series chassis that can't be registered as a car again, but I could always modify one and make it into a trailer. Well, that's a bit of a thought for that thing anyway. I don't know if I'm going to actually go ahead with that. I have got another body which I can put onto this chassis and build another 80 series. Hopefully it doesn't take me another 3 years to do that. So there you go, it finally lives, finally been driven, and it'll be getting driven a whole lot more very soon.